A very good morning to everyone. This is Bhagwan KP. Welcome to Bhagwan KP YouTube channel. Today we are discussing that what's happening in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, there is no food, there is no medicines, there is no money. What actually made Sri Lanka to this position? Why public are very angry on the ruling party, that is Rajapaksa brothers? Why they are telling to quit the ruling party for Rajapaksa brothers? We will discuss the whole scenario and what leads the Sri Lanka to this position. Everything completely. Stay tuned with us. Sri Lankan people are getting very difficult to buy a basic requirements and there is no money with the government. Let us look how Sri Lankan government used to get money before. There are two ways. The first way is tourism and the second way is tea plantation. Tourism, the millions of people used to visit Sri Lanka from across the world and that was the main hub for government to get our money. Due to corona, the millions of people are get reduced and they was not able to generate money from tourism. And the second, tea plantation. Sri Lanka used to export tea, tons of tons tea used to get export from Sri Lanka. But mainly one project has destroyed all this. The project was from the ruling party. They thought of bringing organic farming all over the country. But the organic farming, the idea was perfectly right. But the implementation was very bad. The Rajapaksa brothers has planned that we have to bring our organic farming all over the country and they did it. They implemented in the country, but as we know that at the present, suddenly implementing this project has led this, there is no food. Why we are saying there is no food? That's the reason they have implemented organic farming. They did not plan actually before implementing organic farming. And mainly here, the organic farming, the chemical fertilizers was not used in organic farming as we know that. And due to this, the gap, for example, for organic farming, it takes about 6 months. The same thing will take for chemical fertilizers 3 months. And this is the gap. And the millions of tons of farming was agricultural products was not able to generate this year because the organic farming the people were not able to buy organic fertilizers properly from the customers and from the industry, and the production of organic fertilizers at a year was very difficult, and this led a huge impact on the Sri Lankan people, Sri Lankan government. So Sri Lankan people are very angry on the ruling party, that is Rajapaksa brothers, and they are telling to resign the Rajapaksa brothers from the existing one. And the second reason why the Sri Lankan government has no money is that they have borrowed loans from various countries, that is from especially from China. They have got a loan from China, that is to billions of money they have taken, and now they are not able to live it off the money. They are not able to pay the interest. The interest is very huge. They had gone a very huge interest and they are not able to pay the interest for the country, and now China has left the hand of Sri Lanka. Just China will think of making money. If there is any advantage, China will enter. If there is any critical situation, they will not interfere at all. This is how China is playing. And as we come to India has been, now we have recently seen that India has given 40,000 tons of rice for Sri Lanka, and still they are supporting as much as they can. And at this time, the people of Sri Lanka are the public is roaring against the government as usual. And the Rajapaksa brothers, who is these Rajapaksa brothers? The president and the prime minister in Sri Lanka, both are brothers. And here in India, the prime minister elects the president. We elect prime minister elects presidents. But in Sri Lanka, people elect presidents and president elect prime minister. And here the people are roaring against the Rajapaksa brothers to resign immediately. And from ruling party, the 17 people have resigned the ruling party at a day. The single day, 17 people have been resigned. And interesting is that the finance minister in the ruling party was appointed on the day, and immediately after appointing on the day, after 12 hours, he has been resigned for he has resigned the ruling party. And the resigned letter has been not accepted by the government. Still he is a finance minister. It's showing that the finance minister also is also not interested in working with the ruling party. So people are very angry on the Rajapaksa brothers to immediately quit the government. And this is how they are trying to get a loan from other countries, from World Bank and all. But there are certain conditions. Still the situation is very bad because the basic requirements has gone to the sky, and it's leading to very phenomenon. And later, and I hope you understood the scenario of Sri Lanka and what's happening in Sri Lanka. So you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Share this video for maximum friends, and stay tuned with us for more and more videos on international news. And we will gonna discuss very clearly and in understandable way. Thank you very much.